Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the rear light of the Golf Mark IV. Like you can see, this lamp is working, but here is not working anymore. So I'm going to show you how you can change that light. First I will turn off the light signal. What you can do is just open the trunk. For me myself, it's better to go inside the trunk. You have more space for work, and in my opinion, is better. I will turn on the flashlight. You will see this thing on the side. You turn it. It opens from itself. Here you see the model of the lamp. There are two clamps here and here. You need to squeeze it, and it will come out. As you can see now, this is your brake light, this is for your indicator, and this is the lamp that we need to change. Just turn it, can go out. I bought this one just in your local store, it's not a problem. In my car is 10 watt. You have 5 elf or 10 watt, and mine is 10 watt. So now I open this and I will put the new one inside. Yeah, you can see the old one. It's a bit damaged. The line is broken between the two. So now the fresh one. Then turn it. You see it. It's back in place. So I now will put it back. Then make sure it's in the correct place, that you don't broke the lamps. So just put it inside. You hear click and then it's back inside. So I do that now. Like you can see, it's correctly back in place. It's stuck. We will put this back inside. It's back. And now we'll go out of the trunk. Yeah, it's really easy if you just go inside the trunk. If you are struggling here with your head, you can see not so much. Okay, so now I will turn on the signal. I just hope that it's worked. We have back 2 lamps, 1 and 2. Thank you for watching this video. Just a short tutorial. It's easy if you know it, but yeah, I will help you guys, and I hope I will make in the future other videos for repairing stuff on my car or other cars. So stay await for a new video. Bye.